mad shopping around for a TV. So guys, I saw this one. This Zuma TV. I think I like it for the start. So we are moving with it. Moving with that one, the Zuma TV. And we have some other TV, TLC, some huge TV. I'm not so sure about those brands, TLC. I know Pioneer is good. They have Roku. Not so sure. My favorite TV though is Samsung, but they don't have it in stock. Thank you, sir. So I have to stick with the Pioneer for now. The Insignia, not bad. They're not bad, but I think the Pioneer comes with the Zuma that I want, that the software works with, that I have with Spectrum. So I'm going with it. Toshiba, it's a good brand too. Sony is excellent. It's an excellent brand. Yeah. As I said, LGD. As I said, yes, I'm going.
Yeah, the only thing that we might have is for the Canadian.
So I'm stuck with this one.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going with this one. And I'm buying this at Best Buy. There are some huge TV around. What's that? It's scary. This is a movie. But yeah, going with the Zuma. Pioneer, the long time brand. Pioneer is a long time